to learn how to graph lines in Desmos. Some equations will be in slope-intercept form and some won't. So let's look at some examples. The first one on our list is y equals 2x plus 1. So in the box here, we're going to type y equals 2x plus 1. And there, Desmos graphs it for you. And this equation is in slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So the slope of this line is 2, and the y-intercept is 1. So our line crosses the y-axis at 1. Okay, now let's look at another example here. If we have, the next one is y equals -3. And this is a horizontal line. Every point on this line has a value of -3. Has a y value of -3. Now let's continue with our third example. So we're going to type x equals 4. And what kind of line does that make? That makes a vertical line through x equals 4. And our last example is 2x plus y equals 6. So we're going to type that into the box just as it appears. And let me erase these other lines so you can see the graph. And there, it graphs it for us. And where does this line cross the y-axis? This is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. It crosses at 0, 6. So that is how you graph lines, linear equations in Desmos. So a few things to remember. When you graph them, type the equation exactly as you see it on your paper or on your screen into Desmos, and then click enter after you type the equation into the input box. And a quick recap, y equals mx plus b is slope-intercept form, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept, or where our line crosses the y-axis. And this line right here is the y-axis. So in our example here, what would be the y-intercept? The y-intercept would be 6. Okay? And if you have y equals a number, then it's going to be a horizontal line. And if you have x equals a number, it will be a vertical line. And if you have it like our last example, the purple line that we see on our graph, that is in standard form. ax plus by equals c. So that's it. That's how you graph lines in Desmos, and a quick recap on slope-intercept form and standard form and the y-intercept. So keep practicing with different equations to see how the graphs of your lines change.